Afternoon po sa inyong lahat. So we are about, or we are close to the celebration of the Passover. So 1 week from now, and we continue our reflections, our preparations for the celebration of the Paschal Mystery. And I'm happy that today, part of our reflections and preparations to hear our gospel for today. Because the gospel for today, I believe, is one of the most inspiring stories in the Bible. An adulterous woman becomes the recipient of God's mercy. The woman was caught in the very act of committing adultery. So the scribes and Pharisees brought her to Jesus in order to be judged. Jesus said, "Let the one among you who is without sin be the first to throw a stone at her." Jesus warned the scribes and Pharisees not to legalize the woman's situation, for they were not really after the fulfillment of the law, but they said this to test him, so they could have some charge to bring against him. My dear brothers and sisters, sometimes we bring people to judgment not because of the fault they committed against us, but because we want to inflict misery on them. Calling someone's attention for an inappropriate behavior is still necessary as far as his or her well-being is concerned. However, judging him or her just to inflict shame and pain is uncalled for. We cannot throw a stone at the person. Why? Because those who are lost need our help. They need our compassion and understanding. Jesus judged actually the woman, but he judged her with compassion. Go from now on, do not sin anymore. Jesus corrected the woman. The invitation of the gospel then is to be like Jesus in our manner of judgment. We judge the action, but not the person. Again, we judge the action, but not the person. We judge because we want to correct, not because we want to denigrate a person. So, my dear brothers and sisters, all of us have been judged by God with His mercy and compassion, even extended His forgiveness to all of us. And that is expected from us, also by God, to treat one another, to judge our actions, but not the person.